Look at that, it's got the drift buoy jacking points fixed up there. Only a drifter does that to the sills. Every other person's normal and they can just jack up without crushing the whole side of the car.
So here we have the trans cooler for the Barra EL, and just bought a 8-inch spale fan to put on it. So you can use little thin screws, little thin bolts. You just got to put these little feet on, and then you go through. Your oil runs through these plates, through the tubes, through the plates. The little fins that you see in there that you put your zip ties through for the airflow. So I'm going to go ahead and do some of these. I've already done one here. I'll do 4 and I'll come back. So it's handy to have a pair of these, or needle nose, just to feed them through. Maybe a bit of tie shine on the zip ties to feed them through the fins. I've done all 8 of these. Probably don't need 8, probably go 4 to be honest, but 8 holes, so may as well. You just go around and cut all your tails off. That's it. Tidy. Try and get one that fits your trans cooler. This is going in the Barra EL. This is my EL, but obviously illustration purposes. I'm going to mount this in his, probably up here. He's got BBM manifolds, so his piping's going to come down around in there, hopefully tuck under it, and I can mount it close enough in there to miss everything and still stay away from all the heat of the engine. I would mount it in the front. Mine's mounted down here on the radiator. I don't know if you can see that, but I'll try and mount this in the front bar, but if I can't, then yeah, I'm going to have to do it under the bonnet here, which there should be plenty of room, but we'll see how we go. I'll try and get it in the front bar, get some airflow to it as well. But yeah, that's how you do that. Pretty basic. Like I said, you can use nuts and bolts. They're just got to be really thin. You got to be careful you don't pierce your plates where your fluid runs through. It's probably easier just to use the zip ties, and they're strong as. I've done a lot of these and I've never had them. See all my zip ties there. I've never had them. Even my thermo fan is zip tied on, and I've never had them fall off or come loose or anything. So yeah, happy days. I'll get back into the EL and we'll update you soon. Well, we've got to get it in the air and get the K-frame out. That's what's going on.
Diff out?
Oh yeah, we need a diff. Leave the aircon in.
Leave the aircon in because we don't want to let the gas go. Save the environment sort of stuff. But we've got everything out of the front here. We're going to drop the K-frame as one piece, so bolts are on the top there, undone. The control arm. Everything will just fall down. And then we'll put this on the truck. Stole the bits out of the interior that we needed. What happened, mate?
There's a bit of weight on it, so.
Oh yeah. What's happened? Ah.
Accidents.
I see.
Yep,
I see.
I don't know why though.
Don't know why that happened?
Like, because we unbolted it, I get it.
Oh yeah, the weight of it made it fall down.
Like that. Did you count the cam place?
Yeah, yep, I took notes. So we've got the camber plates counted. Yep, there you go. I marked them as well. So I'll be able to go straight back where they were, so we'll have that alignment spot on. You know, there's going to come a time when they're talking about these cars, AU Falcons, like they do JDM cars, but it's hard to get one without drift damage.
Oh, it's leaking. On the back.
This is from Audi.
Through getting it ready to come off the hoist. Diff's out. It's over there. Made a big mess. Bizzo has to clean up. Got the drift stuff in the drift car.
Is there anything else that's good?
No, it's just got to put on the truck.
Maybe all that manual stuff can go in there.
In here,
Yeah.
pedal box. Was the gearbox good?
Yeah, good.
T5Z. You got another pedal box, eh? Or you gotta fix this one?
I was just going to do it auto. I want to make a pin.
Good idea.
Because they're easy enough to get out. And that one there's just fall out of shape. Somebody's had a hack at it with the gasless soldering on.
Soldering on.
So I'll probably make a pretty beefy one because I don't know how to kick stuff.
Yeah.
But we've got a pedal.
He kicks kids similar, I've heard. Down at the school, they had a notice.
Kids.
They had a notice about him kicking kids down at the school.
In the car?
Or in the bin, maybe? Oh, exedy. Oh, there's one way to wreck a fireball.
Make I knew because he had that thing.
Yeah, I'll just close it.
Hit the quarter with it.
It'll say Ben doing it. Oh, go on.
No,
You won't.
alright.
You won't. Oh, you upset the balance.
That's it, eh?
That's it, we're done. Let's get the truck in here. Do you want to get them out? Or are you too scared?
Well, do you think it's safe?
I've got it at the front here. At least I know to run it. At least I can feel it moving. I'll duck under the truck. Yeah, look, it's good. That's the sign of a drift car, isn't it? You know these are good for drifting because of the balance.
Perfectly weighted.
Perfectly weighted. Yeah, this one's touching, isn't it? Yep. I'll just hold it up a little bit.
Hold it up,
Yeah, come on, mate. Have you seen the size of my pants? Yeah, mate. Chill out, right? Just chill. Just when you thought you were safe. Did yours come out?
Yeah, just shove it out.
This one's trapped.
There you go now.
Yeah, a bit more if you can. You got a little bit. That's it. I'm still under there, but.
Oh, we better get it out.
Yeah, can you just go to the bottle shop and get us a carton of gold?
They know.
They already know when you rock up in a white.
Just the gold, mate.
Just the gold today.